All right, today I have an Audi A3 and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the parking brake on this vehicle. But before we get started, if this video helps you in any way, can you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm sitting in the vehicle. I'm going to look to the right hand side. My vehicle is currently in park. Okay, I'm going to press the brake. That's what I do. This is just my ritual. Okay, and then I'm going to look down here, and you see this right here. This is where the parking brake is. Okay, all right, so my foot's on the brake. I'm going to take this, I'm going to raise it and hold it, and when I do it with my foot on the brake, it shows this right here that is in park. All right, so the parking brake is engaged. Now to disengage it, to turn it off, I'm going to do the same thing. Put this in park, my foot on the brake. I'm going to come back here and I'm going to go to this parking thing, and I'm going to press it down and hold it, and the parking brake turns off. Let me know if you have any questions.